Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Rar and Zip file Unpacker for app for your Huawei Nova 9 SE. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our app gallery and start searching for an app. From here, write RAR and hit the search button. Select this app and press on the install. Install again. And when its installation process is complete, we can open the app. From here we need to grant the app access to the files. Go back and the app should work properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.